let's make stew using chicken, ponmo, and assorted parts of goat meat. In the pot, transfer your already washed chicken, your ponmo, and your goat meat. Put in roughly chopped onions, some chopped pepper, and our seasoning. Our seasoning is Knorr cube and salt. Give it a good mix and allow your meat to cook with the water from the meat. No water was added here. So just give it a really good stir and cover the pot. Allow the meat to cook till tender. When the meat is properly cooked, in a pot, put in groundnut oil, and when hot, put in your meat and allow to fry till golden brown. You can either fry it this way or you can use an air fryer. When it's fried, put in 2 sachets of tomato paste. And you can stir that till it's fried or allow it to sit and give it a good stir. When it's fried, put in your fresh tomato mix. This blended mix is 20 pieces of tomatoes, 5 pieces of big size tatashe, and 3 medium size onions. You could go ahead and add some Korean thyme to this blend mix. Allow to fry for 47 minutes. Put in some seasoning cube and salt. Then transfer in your fried meat. Please don't stir. Just allow that to sit for another 23 minutes before you then can stir. So you open up your pot and give it a good stir. Just keep stirring so everything comes together. Put the sieve over your stew and transfer the meat stock. You can also add water to this. But I chose not to in mine because I wanted the thickness of the stew. So give it a good stir. Cover the pot and allow to cook for about 10 minutes. At this point, the oil is supposed to rise above your tomato. Then you know the stew is ready. It's definitely ready. You could allow it to sit for another 2 to 3 minutes, but your stew is ready. Give it a good stir and it's ready to be served. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.